Marital relationships communicate. No matter the circumstances, it's impossible to have a shared roof, a shared home, and constant togetherness without ever having a difference of opinion. Allah has endowed men with certain qualities and superiority in some aspects, and women with other unique strengths. Neither men nor women are perfect in everything. Therefore, harmony and understanding between spouses are crucial. If ever there is a disagreement, do not let silence stretch for too long. Certainly not beyond a few hours. Resolve matters before going to bed, or else things may spiral. If unresolved, each spouse may start thinking, "Is this the reward for all my sacrifices?" And meanwhile, Satan will continuously stir whispers like, "Stop talking to them. Don't stay with them. You can't carry on like this together," leading to thoughts of separation, divorce, or annulment. Please, never let it come to this. Instead, reconcile with one another by acknowledging each other's mistakes, discuss the issue, make peace, and then say, "Alhamdulillah, for Allah has saved you from Satan's influence and a grave sin. Both lives are precious. The benefits and losses are equal for both. Dignity and respect of both are at stake. Children, innocent and blameless, unnecessarily lose everything: their future, their childhood, their toys, their pride, their innocence, their dignity, and their happiness. What they receive instead is a sense of loss, wandering from place to place, disgrace, numbness, and a world full of harsh criticism and bitterness. To a child, there's no one greater than their parents. Do not let their dreams be shattered by ego, stubbornness, or false pride. Please, both husband and wife have equal respect and dignity. Learn about this matter from the lives of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, his family, and his companions. See how the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, honored his pure wives, the mothers of the believers, and how Hazrat Ali respected his wife. We are not even the dust beneath the feet of these personalities. May Allah bless our homes with unity and understanding, and grant us sound wisdom. Ameen. Mistakes made in moments can bring lifetimes of regret. Reflect on this and communicate quickly to avoid making lifelong sorrow your destiny.